Come on, everybody, yes, man, it's party time. A little jump and prance, yes, man, it's reggae time. Let us go to the rhythm, yes, no matter where it goes. Sweet to the rhythm, yes, man, let the rhythm flow. Kicking it, moving it, I said all night long. It doesn't matter how you move, yes, you can't go wrong. So have a drink, have a smoke, have a coke, yes, now you feeling strong. We should all get together, people, yes, now to sing along. Can you feel it? Yeah, now, when the rhythm taking control. Can you feel it? Yes, now, the rhythm reach to your soul. Can you feel it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you feel it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can you feel it? Yeah, now, feel it. Yeah, now, feel it. Yeah, now, feel it. Yeah, now. Come on, everybody, come let us wine and grind. We better dance to the music, this cause we feeling fine. Feel it in your heart, yes, you can feel it in your soul. And let the skinny reggae music, this man to take control. It doesn't matter what they say, yes, it doesn't matter what you do. Just lead to the rhythm, yes, to stay in the groove. Can you feel it? Yeah, now, can you feel it? Yeah, now, can you feel it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you feel it? Yeah, now, can you feel it? Yeah, now, when the rhythm taking control. Can you feel it? Yeah, 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 yeah. When the rhythm beats to your soul. Can you feel it? Get up, get up. Yes, you're alone again. Sleeping on the road again. Walking all around and pretending, but still you've got no friends. Whoa! Get up and find yourself. Let me teach you, sister. Get up and find yourself. You don't want to be the loser, brother. Get up and find. Get up, get up. Get up, get up. Hanging around in the streets.